हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ क्रिस्टल और स्टडी चैनल पे। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 1, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाई एंड हाउ। क्लास 11 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इंडिया इज अ सेक्युलर स्टेट, जस्टिफाई द स्टेटमेंट। आंसर, द वर्ड सेक्युलर was put in the preamble of the constitution through the 42nd amendment. Second, secular refer to the state that has no religion of its own but shows due to the respect to all the religions. Third, the state observe complete neutrality in religious matter. Fourth, 45th Amendment carries equal respect and recognition to all the religion. Fifth, non-discrimination in India has ever been made against any individual belonging to different community, religion, caste, etc. Question number 2. Why should we respect our constitution? Answer, a constitution is a supreme and fundamental law of country. Second, a constitution distributes the power and functioning among the three organs of the government, that is, legislature, executive, and judiciary. Third, the government of India is composed of principles laid down in a constitution. Fourth, a constitution maintains relations between government and its citizens. Question number 3. India is a sovereign democratic republic. Justify the statement. Answer, India is a sovereign state. How? First, India has attained a full status of independent statehood. Second, India is no longer under subjections of any foreign power. Third, India is free to conduct her internal and external affairs. India as a democratic state. The ultimate source of political and constitutional authority of India is vested with the people. Elections are held on regular interval on a basis of adult franchising. Equality is a basic principle of democratic form of government. Citizens of India enjoy the disputable fundamental rights. Rule of law is essential feature of Indian democratic state. India as a republic state. The head of the state is President of the India. He is elected by Electoral College of the Parliament and State Assemblies after every 5 years. Question number 4. Write a short note on Constituent Assembly. Answer, the Indian Constitution was made by Constituent Assembly. Second, it held its first meeting on 9 December 1946 and reassembled on 14 August 1947 by elected member of provincial legislature assemblies though an election. Third, it was composed roughly along the lines suggested by Cabinet Mission on 26 November 1949. 284 actual members appended their signature to the Constitution. Fourth, the Constitution Assembly was made seriously a representative body in which representation from all the section was made and recommended all the shades of opinion. Fifth, the Assembly took 166 days spread over 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to frame the Constitution finally that we have adopted. Question number 5. What is the philosophy of Indian Constitution? Discuss. Answer, farmer of the Constitution express their vision for a new society and polity. Despite the differences of opinions, farmer reach a consequences to be reflected in the constitutions. Indian Constitution adopted to reach goal of building a new social orders on the basis of democracy, equality and justice. It also projected fundamental rights and civil liberty of Indian citizens along with fundamental duties and directive principle of state policies. Fifth, Indian Constitution is based on liberal welfare democratic society to be reflected in the preamble. Number 6. What was objective resolution? Explain. Answer, the objective resolution defines the aim of the assembly moved by Nehruji in 1946. India is an independent sovereign and republic. India shall have union of its while British Indian territory, Indian states and other part outside the British India and Indian state are well being to be a part of the union. Territory forming the union shall be autonomous unit and exercise all the power and function of the government and administration except those who assign or to visit in the union. All the people of India shall be guaranteed and secured social, economic, political justice, equality of status and opportunity, and equality before the law. or the fundamental freedom of speech, expression, belief, faith, worship, and association. The minorities, backward and tribal areas, depressed and other backward classes shall be provided adequate safeguard. The land would make full and willing contribution to the promotion of world, peace and welfare of the mankind. All power and authority of the sovereign and independent India and its constitution shall flow from the people. The territorial integrity of the republic and its sovereign rights on land, sea and air shall be maintained according to justice and law of civilized nation. फ्रेंड्स जो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है इसका ज़्यादा चांस नहीं होता है पेपर में आने का, तो आप इसको सिर्फ एक बार रीड आउट कर लीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाट आर द यूनिक फीचर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इसको आप अच्छे से लर्न करिएगा. सो द पॉइंट नंबर 1, Indian Constitution is a written set of rules and regulations. It is the lengthiest constitution in the world, containing 395 articles, 12 schedule and book of more than 250 pages. Indian Constitution has provided Indian citizens fundamental rights and established the welfare state. Directive principle of the state policy has been generated. By the 42nd Amendment 1976, some 10 fundamental duties has been added up in the Constitution. Indian Constitution is federal in structure but unitary in spirit. The Indian Constitution is a blend of flexibility and rigidity. Some of the articles of the Constitution can be amended by simple majority, but some require 2/3 majority of the Parliament and voting in each house, as well as ratified by at least half of the state legislature. Question number 8. Mention the sources of the Indian Constitution along with features taken from these sources. फ्रेंड्स आपका ये वाला क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क्स में भी आ सकता है और 5 मार्क्स में भी आ सकता है, तो आप इनके फीचर्स को अच्छे से लर्न करिएगा सारे कंट्री के. द गवर्नमेंट एक्ट ऑफ इंडिया 1935. अबाउट 2/3 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज डिराइव फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ब्रिटिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, आइडिया ऑफ रूल ऑफ लॉ, इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ द स्पीकर एंड हिज रोल, लॉ मेकिंग प्रोसीजर, सिंगल सिटीजनशिप, सिंगल इंटीग्रेटेड जुडिशरी. तो ये जितने भी मैंने अभी रीड आउट करे 6, ये सारा का सारा ब्रिटिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से लिया गया है. यूनाइटेड स्टेट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, चार्टर ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट, पावर ऑफ द जुडिशियल रिव्यू एंड इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी, प्रीएम्बल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. RS कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन provided for the guideline to the state including DPSP, directive principle of state policy. French constitution, principle of liberty, principle of equality and fraternity. Canadian constitution, a quasi-federal form of government was there and the idea of residual power. German constitution, emergency provision, Indian president power to impose external or internal emergencies. Thank you friends.